Hey everyone. I never know from one day to the next what is truly going to happen. What Spirit might have to say for us. What is the universe bringing into our lives? Magic. The universe is always bringing us magic in one way or another, one form or another. The question is, are you open to receiving that magic? Are you open to seeing it, feeling it, and receiving it? You need to make sure that you're open. Because if you have built up these walls and you are closing yourself off to whatever it is that you don't want, remember that you're also closing yourself off to the other things that the universe is trying to give us. Magic. Opportunities. The universe is trying to help us. It's trying to help us reach our highest good, to realize our dreams, and to manifest that life that we want. But we have to be open. We can't keep those walls up to protect us from hurt and pain, and also be able to accept and be open to love and light, prosperity and guidance. So you have to stay open. That's what Spirit reminds me today, is stay open, because there is magic all around you every day. But it's a choice to see it, to welcome it into your life, and to live in a magical way. It's a choice. Keep those walls up. Are they really going to keep you from experiencing pain? How's it been working for you so far? Yeah. Doesn't work too well, does it? You just have all these walls up, and look at all the things that you're not getting to experience because of those walls that aren't helping you anyway. They aren't doing what you intended for them to do. You still feel that pain. It's still breaking through that wall. So now that wall, all it is a barrier, a blockage. A blockage in your life from all the other things as well. We can't live our life in fear of being hurt. We can't. People are people. They're going to do things that don't make us feel so good. But when you already love yourself, and when you allow others to be exactly who they are without putting expectations on them, then that hurt doesn't truly exist. We are putting it on ourselves by the walls that we create, by the expectations that we send out there. So be aware. Today I'm going to ask you to be aware of the walls that you have put up and what those walls are there for. Are they working? Are they helping in any way? And are you open to receive the love, the light, and the magic that the universe wants so badly to give you? Stay open. Stay positive. Believe that you have the power to create the life that you want. Get outside, touch the earth, cleanse your space. Do your meditations. Don't forget, every single day, every day, do your meditations. It's important. Trust me. You're going to love it. And remember that this Raven in Spirit, we are sending you love and endless possibilities filled with magic.